anything about stuff. This is gonna be a real quick video. I'm just gonna explain this all in one video because I can. So, remember I said I was building a grill in my old boomer videos. Here is the grill over here on the table on the workbench. Right? Hold on. And I'm gonna cut some, right here. I'm gonna cut some pipes off of that top shelf over there to go in the middle of this. And then the grill can be opened up, and then I can have a semi-in-one made, but I also did some work to the truck. So I'm gonna get Boomer's front end done this year, get engine and transmission in, get Boomer's front end done, windows in the cab, basically get the entire body on the truck this year, and get the truck running and driving this year as well. So the Boomer Rebuild series, I know I just started it, I know I just made it this year, but it'll be ending this year as well. So that is my next thing, is to get this grill 100% done. And that means cutting pieces to go in the middle of this thing to make the cross piece. I'm gonna run over to the truck right now. I'm gonna show you guys what I got done over the weekends. Cause I didn't film any videos this weekend. Sorry guys. I gotta get back in the groove, which means getting back into full videos every day. Now that spring is coming, I need to text my aunt later. I have a crush at school now. I'm not gonna tell you that it's personal information, but this is a dedicated truck video also. This is a dedicated truck video. I'm over at the shop right now. I'm beating on my papa home. I'm not gonna be out here in the dark, that's for sure. Crossing the street. Even though he's home now, I'm not gonna do that. No. There's Mikey coming to go for it. And yes, this is a dedicated truck episode. This is like the I don't know how many episodes of the Boomer Rebuild series there is. Don't know. Don't know if we know. To be honest, don't know. Don't know, but I'm going to show you guys what we got done today. Here's my yellow guys. Yeah, I have a crush at school. That's all I'm going to say about that. There's no information. here's what we got done today. You can probably see it. There's strings coming out of these doors now. Because that's how you open it on the inside. Oh gee, I almost dropped my phone. And over here, that's my camper cell. Where we get one boomer, hopefully soon. But yeah, this is a dedicated truck episode. I'm gonna go upload this right now after sending an email to one of my friends. Bye. Peace out. Peace. Peace. Yeah. Peace. Hang on. Peace. Peace out. Peace out. Peace out. Peace out. Oh, also, before I close out the video, let me know what you guys think about me doing a sleeper on the back of this truck. Yep, you heard that right. I'm gonna take it up to Truck Sleeper Alliance Truck Group in the future and have a sleeper put on a normal truck, on a 1927 Chevy. And if anybody has, comment down below if you guys have a old 27 Chevy parts truck sitting around, and I can have, you can just give it to me for free, because I have some parts from my truck that I can give you for free. So, peace out.